Hi, I'm Francis Dodds, Editorial Director at Burley Dodds Science Publishing. In this video we're taking a closer look at one of our forthcoming titles, Improving Soil Health, which is edited by Professor William Horwath from the University of California, Davis in the US. Part 1 looks at dimensions of soil health, with chapters on soil health definitions and key concepts, as well as understanding biological processes in soil, including mycorrhizal activity. Part 2 looks at cultivation practices in soil health. It looks, for example, at how agricultural traffic management systems affect soil health. There are also chapters on assessing the effects of zero no-till, cover crops and crop residue retention on soil health. From Part 2 I wanted to pick out Chapter 7 on cover crops for soil health, which is written by Sieglinde Snap of Michigan State University, Carmen Nagati and Michelle Wanda from the University of Illinois, and Dane Hunter from Southern Illinois University, all in the US. Well, cover crops are seen as a key tool in promoting soil health. Building on the rich body of research on the general benefits of our cover crops, the chapter focuses on how to optimise cover crop use by targeting the niches into which they best fit, for example in terms of other crops, local environmental conditions and the specific functions they need to perform in a particular context. This makes it easier to target which species and growth types of cover crops fit a given agrosystem and can then deliver optimal benefits in such areas as soil organic matter, water balance, nutrient and disease regulation and crop yield. Well, the second chapter I wanted to pick out to illustrate the book is from Part 3, and it's Chapter 10 on assessing the effects of using animal manure on soil health. It's written by Ashraf Tubilay and Michael Goss of the University of Guelph in Canada. The use of manure, as you probably know, received a lot of renewed interest both as a regenerative agricultural practice and in promoting a more circular bioeconomy. This chapter reviews the wealth of research in this key area. The chapter looks, for example, at types of manure such as semi-solid, light manure or slurry, manure nutrient value, treatments such as composting and anaerobic digestion, and the impact of manure on soil chemical, physical and biological health, as well as, of course, on crop yields. It also reviews research on the challenges in using manure in areas such as the potential nutrient imbalances, environmental pollution, and of course the risk to human health, for example from pathogens or antibiotic residues. Well, I'll conclude, if I may, by quoting Emeritus Professor Arietta van Bruggen at the University of Florida and Wageningen University. And she has been kind enough to comment as follows: "Improving soil health is urgently needed. The authors of the various chapters are world-renowned scientists who have worked extensively on soil ecology and microbiology and the effects of different agronomical practices on soil and ecosystem health. If you want to know the best current research on improving soil health, you don't need to dig around. It's right here."